What's up, everybody on YouTube? Today I'm going to be tearing down a Dell Optiplex 755, which I customized to be a gaming PC. I customized it about a year ago just so then I could play the most latest games on cheap, like Assassin's Creed. I could play Titanfall, Battlefield 4, even Call of Duty Advanced Warfare at medium to low settings with high frame rates, even some surpassing 60 frames. But as this hardware gets older, it's gonna be unusable to me for playing these more modern games. And because of that, I'm gonna be tearing this down and selling the parts. I only paid a total of $193 for this machine right here. And I'll show you what I bought for it. I'll show you what I bought for it and how much it cost me. First, let's start off with the video card. Forgive me, I'm doing this one-handed. See the tricky part. Let's get in the damn video card out. Hold on. Alright, I got the video card out. You can see it is HD 7770, which I picked up for 60 bucks. And the next would be this old wireless card, which did the job. A wireless G card, picked up for 5 bucks. Let's see. Get to the RAM. And we got 8 gigs DDR2 RAM. I paid $1 a piece for each one. Actually, no, I paid $2 a piece for 8 bucks. So I paid $8 for 8 gigs of RAM. So what else we have in this computer? I got a 500 gig hard drive, which I picked up for free. A lot of stuff that I got into this desktop I got from the recycling center, which they gave me amazing deals on the hardware that I needed to get this to being a gaming PC.
So, if any of you guys are interested in any of these parts, I'm going to be putting them on eBay. Just so you guys know.
So let's get the power supply out of there. Disconnect the cable back here for the CPU. Let's see, which way is it angled? There you go. Bought this power supply brand new. Won it at an auction for $20. And you can see it's 80 plus certified. It's a really decent router. I mean power supply. Sorry about that. So let's get on with taking the CPU out. The Dell Optiplex line is very interesting in how you take out the CPU. and then you just pull it off like this. It's kind of hinge oriented. And there's the CPU. So let's take that off. That is a Core 2 Quad Q9550. Come on, focus. You can see it there. I have it upside down, but yeah. And that's all I really wanted to show you guys. It's just a quick teardown of this PC before I sold it. Most of the parts will be going on eBay if you guys are interested. If you're interested in the case and the board, you can contact me. I'll sell it to you locally if you're in the San Diego area for, I don't know, 20 bucks, maybe less. Just want to get it out of here, make space in my house. I'll eventually be making a better gaming PC in the future, using at least a Sandy Bridge architecture. And until next time, thanks for watching.